So one of the big differences with NuVue is we are a family-run business, so it's actually myself that initially goes out to see the customer, discusses all the options, and it's my wife and daughter in the office that actually do the quotations and run the customer services side. So I'm hands-on from the initial point of contact with the customer, so they're dealing with the business owner, which means I can manage their project and manage their expectations to make sure everything is done to the highest quality. So having the experience I have in the industry, and I've always had the ethos that whatever we do in a customer's home should be something that I would be very proud of in my own home. The initial contact with NuVue, the customer initially does their design on our website or the endurance website, ensures the customer gets their quotation rapidly. We also then make a visit to the customer to discuss all their requirements. We also then keep them fully informed with delivery dates and installation dates, and they will know that they're dealing with the business owner. When I do the home visit, it's really for me to see the installation and make sure that we as a business fully understand what the customer requires. So things like different locking mechanisms, different hardware options, colours, different glazing and different door styles and colours. But we also have our new showroom that they're welcome to come in and see a full range of the samples there. I always take hardware samples, door colour swatches and glass samples with me so the customer can see those. For the customer to deal directly with myself as the business owner, it means that there's continuity throughout, and it also means that they have that relationship with us to make sure that everything runs smoothly. I'm extremely proud of the business, having generated the Google reviews and particularly the Merit Award, which is 100%. It's something we take very, very personally. It's a family-run business, so for us, it just cements that we are doing the job as we should be doing.